Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make a company page on LinkedIn. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, it is really simple. To create a company page on LinkedIn, you need to first of all log in into your personal account. Once you have done this, you need to navigate to the For Business section and select the option called Create a Company Page. Once you have done this, you will be needing to choose the appropriate page type like company, showcase, or educational institution. And once you have selected it, simply follow the on-screen prompts to enter your company details. Once this is done, you need to verify your identity and then you need to create the specific page. Simply click on the option called Create Page to finalize the creation process and follow the prompts to add a logo, tagline, company description, and other content to make your page engaging. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.